What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I want to show you exactly how to build and scale your own really successful YouTube channel. All right, so first things first, I'm going to preface this video by letting you know that I'm going to tell you firsthand the things that I personally did myself to actually grow my own YouTube channel and scale it to a pretty good amount of subscribers fairly quickly. So this is firsthand knowledge, and I'm going to tell you the real. So watch until the end. All right, so a little backstory on me. I'm involved in a lot of different business ventures, a software company, another software company. I invest in real estate, and I'm also the founder of the largest startup recruiter training program in the world. And I'm also involved in several other ventures that are soon to come, but I'm basically in the business world. And if you like hearing about business content overall, you should definitely subscribe to the channel. But my main point here is that so much of all of that came out of literally YouTube. Like, no joke, it's literally such a powerful tool that you can teach people information, you can convey a message, you can get people like the things that they need to know ASAP. There's a reason they call it YouTube University. All right, so on YouTube, the first thing that you want to do to create and build a successful channel is to pick a niche or a topic. All right, now your niche or topic does not have to be your forever niche or your forever topic, right? And let me give you a firsthand example. When I started my channel, every single video was all about recruiting, because at that point I had started my recruiting agency and I had been basically just getting clients and candidates and talking all about recruiting nonstop on every single video. But that can change over time. But I would tell you, to successfully have a YouTube channel, you need to get an audience. And by getting an audience, you should pick a certain niche, area, space, or topic to have your videos be about. The reason that I say this is that people are searching all over Google and YouTube for specific information, right? Like they're dialing like how to start a recruiting agency, or how to start an e-commerce company, or how to start a white label, whatever, FBA, Amazon, blah, blah, blah. You need to capture that audience by having a niche or a topic. And when you have that niche or topic, people will then gravitate towards your channel because the YouTube algorithm will take them there because of the tags and all the things that you put onto your videos that will lead them directly to you. They will then become a subscriber and your channel will grow. When you pick this niche or topic, know what you're talking about. Like, actually know the content, okay? Don't be disingenuous about this, right? Actually do the things that you're talking about, right? Like, preach what you are actually doing, okay? So don't talk about e-commerce if you're not doing e-commerce. Don't talk about Amazon FBA if you're not doing it, right? Don't chat about things that you're not actually in the grits doing. Like, don't actually be there talking about something that you have nothing to do with, because it's disingenuous, doesn't make sense. And I'll get into a little bit later on another point about authenticity and being genuine on YouTube and why that matters so much to your audience, and how people literally grow channels to 100,000 subs, 1 million subs, because of how genuine, how real they are in that business and how that's going. And so that's a huge component. Know your stuff and know exactly what you're talking about as you make videos for your channel. Like I said, if you're not a subject matter expert in like interior design or Amazon FBA or like, I don't know, like snakes, like don't make channels about that stuff. Like don't talk about that stuff if that's not actually you. You gotta be you on YouTube. All right, so number 2, make your videos creative and don't copy anyone else. Okay, so me personally, I have never went and watched somebody else's video on YouTube and then went and tried to go replicate that exact video myself doing what they did on my own channel. It just doesn't work that way. And I know that, so I've never done it, right? Because it just doesn't come across as genuine. There's only one of me, and I intend to be the best of me for you. So I say this to people all the time that ask me this question on YouTube, or if it's in my Facebook group, which is Recruiter Empire, link in description. You should definitely be in our Facebook group. But by the way, people ask me this all the time. Like, how do you grow your channel? How are there so many subs? All that kind of stuff. And I'm like, just be yourself. I know it sounds like the most simple advice in the world, but it's really the most important advice in the world that you can give someone. Absolutely nobody wants the watered down version of you. They want the full, raw, real version of you. They want all your opinions, good or bad, whether they agree with them or not agree with them. They want everything about you. They want all of your sass. They want all of your attitude. They want all of you. They want every little piece of you the way you are, just as you are, because that will come across as the perfect version of what they want to see. They want to see real. People love real. That's the whole point I'm getting at here. So that's why I'm saying be you, be the best version of you, and your channel will explode because of it. All right, so number 3, and this is a big thing that people ask me all the time. So this video is basically made off of a lot of questions that people ask me that I can basically just answer to create this entire video. So people ask me how I was able to grow my YouTube channel so quickly and get a bunch of subs, and I'm still working on getting tons of subs. Like, it's an ongoing project. It's never ending, right? But one big thing is consistency. Consistency is how people know me, like why so many people know Ben Nader on the internet or on YouTube or for recruiting or for software and real estate or whatever he's talking about on YouTube. It's why people subscribe to the channel, right? It's because I make a video every single weekday. It's because I put that out there. I take the sweat equity. I take the time right now, here and now, to create a video, to create content and put it out there. 99% of people don't want to take that time and do it. But the 1% of people that do it actually reap the benefits of that. And like I said earlier before, all the business ventures and all the things that I'm involved in have often come out of YouTube, like connections, networking, things that I'll talk about later in this video real quick. But other things come out of YouTube when you get really consistent and really serious about putting your information out there, putting yourself out there on your channel. A long time ago, one of my mentors, which you should definitely have some mentors in your life, by the way, FYI, pro tip. But one of my mentors told me, just show up, in the metaphorical sense and the literal sense. If you just show up, great things will happen. Continue to show up, right? And I don't just mean like on YouTube, but show up, like bring yourself to the table and do what needs to be done. And if you continue to show up, really good things will happen for you and everything will come into place. It just happens like that, guys. Don't ask me why. It just happens. It works that way. And I can tell you firsthand, yes, it's worked that way. So show up. Like I said earlier, that consistency, uploading videos Monday through Friday, has led to so many networking opportunities, business opportunities, meeting people that I probably never would have met otherwise unless they found me on my channel, and literal growth in my business, growth on the YouTube channel, like growth all around. So it's an accelerator. Your channel can actually accelerate growth in your business if you do it right. So what I'm pretty much saying in a nutshell is that if you're in business or if you have a personal brand and you just want to be known, like you want a lot of people to know you, right? YouTube can do that for you. YouTube is an accelerator. So use it as such. All right, so next up is make good content, like the best that you can possibly make. All right, so let me give you an example. When I make YouTube videos, I give it all out. Like I hold nothing back. I literally give as much humanly possible information as possible. So I lay it all out there. I literally hold no secrets. I put all the information out there. I want people to learn. I want people to walk away from watching a video that I made with a golden nugget, with something that they can take and use as actionable advice. Like literally later on that day, they can go use that and it can become to their benefit. Like, that's the way I make videos. I want to make videos for people to actually be able to succeed from. I want them to watch my channel and actually benefit from it, like in real life. If you want to be a really, really good YouTube content creator, bring the goods. Bring the information, bring the value, lead with the value, give people what they want, right? Give the people what they want. They want value. They want information. They want the answers to whatever they're searching for on YouTube. And when they find your channel and you give them the answer, they're going to hit that subscribe button. Then your channel is going to grow, and it's going to grow more and more and more, and it's going to scale because you're giving out so much good information. Bad channels, losers, leave out the secrets. Losers, leave out the gold nuggets. Losers, don't give out good information. Those are bad channels. People don't follow those channels. People don't care about that stuff because it's disingenuous. It's not real. They're probably not even doing it anyways. And it's just dumb. So give the gold, like teach stuff. I think of it in this way. Take something that's like super complex that somebody would never really understand, but make it really, really simple because you're smart enough to take that concept and make it concise and explain it to someone on YouTube in a simple format where you can actually lay it out, break it down, whiteboard it, right? Show it to them and say, this is the answer to your question. This is how you solve for this. This is what you're searching for. Here's the answer. Here is the information that you want. Take something complex, make it simple. That's an easy formula for any video that you could ever make. Just keep making videos like that. Your channel will blow up. Like, I truly believe that this platform, YouTube, is designed not only just to share information, but to affect people's lives, like for the better, to actually improve their life, right? From the information that you give, okay? So that's why I give so much information out on YouTube. People ask me all the time, like, why do you give all that information out? Like, why are you sharing that? Well, first off, 99% of people like never actually implement what you say on YouTube. So that's a thing. But either way, I've found that so much has come full circle from giving out information, from providing and helping people, right? Coming from a place of delivering value, coming from a place where you actually want to help people. When you do that, it comes full circle and it comes back to you. All right, so the last thing I'm going to tell you about growing and scaling an awesome YouTube channel is that your first few videos are going to suck. Just deal with it. Like right now, okay, I have an entire flow. I've got a whole setup. I've got everything. But at the beginning, early stages of my YouTube channel, like videos literally sucked. I was editing things myself, like really terribly, but I've got a brand new editor, like all this kind of stuff. His name is Avatar. He's editing this video right now. Shout out to Avatar. What's up, my man? But by the way, basically, you will grow. You will scale. You will evolve. As you go through the process, you'll understand, hey, that didn't work so well. The stats on that video sucked. Oh, that worked a little bit better. Let me do more of that, right? And you will evolve into a better channel because you'll see what's working and what's not working. And when you find out what's actually working, you'll just do more of that and your channel will get better and better and better. I promise you that. In all seriousness, just grab your iPhone, grab a tripod, and you don't need the fanciest mic in the world. Just get some good lighting, get it all set up, and hit record. Listen, at the end of the day, I just want to say, put out good content, be authentic, don't be shy, be consistent, and your channel will do awesome. Guys, I hope this video brought you some value in building and scaling an awesome YouTube channel. I definitely hope that it did. If it did, please smash that like button so this can reach more people on YouTube, which I hope you do. Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys next time.